In the wake of the Pahalgam terror attack that killed 26 people in Jammu and Kashmir's Bairsan Valley, a parliamentary panel has raised alarm over social media platforms and influencers allegedly working against India's national interest. The Parliament's Standing Committee on Communications and Information Technology, led by BJP MP Nishikant Dubey, has written to the centre asking for details of action planned against such platforms and individuals. The panel has reached out to two key ministries, Information and Broadcasting and Electronics and Information Technology. It has sought a report on what action is being contemplated under the IT Act of 2000 as well as the Information Technology Intermediate Guidelines and Digital Media Ethics Code Rules 2021. The committee noted that some influencers and platforms seem to be working against the interests of the country and that their content could incite violence. The panel's communication asked for clarity on any steps being taken to ban such platforms or enforce existing digital content regulations. The ministries have been given a deadline, May 8th, to respond. This move comes days after the government blocked several Pakistani YouTube news channels, including Dawn, Sama TV, Ari News, Bold News, Raftar, Geo News, and Suno News. In India, these channels now display a message saying they have been blocked under government orders concerning national security or public order. The Ministry of Information and Broadcasting had also issued an advisory urging journalists and users on social media to act with utmost responsibility while posting content related to national defense and security operations. The April 22nd attack in Pahalgam is the deadliest assault on civilians in recent years. Most of the victims were tourists. India has officially blamed Pakistan for the incident. Islamabad has denied the charges. The government's digital crackdown and the panel's push for accountability reflect growing concerns about online influence operations, especially during sensitive national moments. With the May 8 deadline approaching, all eyes will be on the center's response and whether more platforms or individuals face legal or regulatory action in the coming days.